Hi, this is James Pearson, president of the Computer Center with today's 2-Minute Tech Tip. Today I'll discuss how to maximize productivity in the coronavirus environment. As a business owner today, you are now facing unprecedented challenges to help you deal with the coronavirus. You're asked to self-isolate and practice social distancing to flatten the curve. You're asked to allow your employees to work from home to reduce possible exposure and slow the spread of COVID-19. While these are all reasonable requests, as a business owner, you also need to maximize productivity, bring in revenue, and try to grow your business in these demanding times. So how can you accomplish these goals when your office is now a ghost town and productivity has fallen off a cliff? The answer lies in properly setting up your office to function remotely. If you've never implemented a work from home policy before, it may seem like a whole different world. Managing an entirely remote workforce goes far beyond giving your employees a laptop and reminding them to check in every once in a while. After all, there are many factors most business owners haven't ever had to consider before, such as what technologies do I need? How can my employees work from home without compromising the security of our network and our clients' data? How can I make this new work environment as easy, comfortable, and productive as possible? We understand that these are unique times, and we know that business as usual is going to be quite different for an undetermined amount of time. But together we can help you adjust to today's new normal by giving you the tools, technologies, and insights to create a secure and productive work from home environment. Here are 3 important considerations to getting you set up and running a successful work from home business. 1. Don't allow employees to use home computers or devices. 2. Secure their Wi-Fi access points. And 3. Use 2-factor authentication VPNs. As business owners ourselves, we are having to pivot to and work differently than ever before. However, because we have the technology and infrastructure in place, we are still surprisingly productive. Our team wants to help your business survive and thrive during these unique times. If you and your IT team need an extra hand right now or solutions to help your employees work securely from home, we have the software tools, expert staff, and resources, and we'd like to offer you help to keep your business as productive as possible. Please know that this is not a sales call, but simply an outreach to help a fellow CEO stay afloat. To view more tech tips, register for our weekly Tuesday Tidbits by going to computer-center.com/Tuesday Tidbits.